back at my favorite place in the world. There he is. Oh my God, dude. What's up, brother?
Yeah, how are you, man?
Good to see you, man.
See you again.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
We keep this room for today for you. Okay, so you want to be a doctor, I think. That's the reason that you're there.
Oh yes. Sorry.
You know-
Come on in. Okay, so wow, it all looks very good. Good job. You've done really
I have
well.
some problems with the crown, Mike.
No. It looks great. Yep.
You see, it's a very small deal. It doesn't make so much thing. Because I'm gonna use I have a loop that you may not see it right now, but it's just for the light, and also I wanted to separate the hairs and try to do the PRP directly between those hairs without damaging hair.
Okay.
It's another important thing for the efficiency of the therapy, I think. You will not feel any pain. In some points maybe you may think like it's like a mosquito bite, but if it's too much, just let me know, I can stop. But I'm trying to do very quickly. That will be the maximum pain that you're gonna have. Is it okay for you?
Yep. Over 4 years ago, I did the procedure. As you guys can see, hairline still looks great. Hair feels great. Maybe you remember that vlog. Maybe you remember some of the pictures from the last time I was here. Far up it was on the sides.
That's, I think, the photo that you sent to us from your home. It was not taken in the clinic, but I have a bunch of photos.
Old ass motherfucker.
Wait, I don't remember it being that bad. That was bad.
Your
Wait,
photo-
what? No way. It was that bad?
Yeah.
Damn, Smile Hair Clinic really works, dude. Holy shit. I had 5,500 grafts in the back, in the front. Super happy with how it turned out, but I wanted to come back because you guys do other stuff here.
Yeah.
Exosomes, PRP,
mesotherapy.
right? Stuff.
Supportive for the treatment, after the treatment.
Yeah. So I'm back, and I was excited to come back, obviously, to come back to Turkey and
You're always
Istanbul.
welcome to-
Thank you.
Here, man. We love you.
Eat Turkish food, eat kebab, go to the Blue Mosque, as you guys saw earlier. And I love the place, I love the doctor, I love the team here. Fantastic people. Come in and see the good doctor so you can stop wearing hats in the swimming pool, dude. No one wants to wear a hat in the swimming pool. And as you heard earlier, you can even use your pubes. Here we are on the first annual Smile Hair Clinic food adventure with Big Mike. We're here at the Galata Port at a wonderful restaurant by the name of Muto, which is a tapas restaurant. Meze restaurant, not tapas. That's Spanish. A meze restaurant, which is small shareable dishes, right? Like these dips here. I don't know what they are. I would need someone from the staff to explain it to us. But usually this would be like hummus. What else?
There are many different. I'm also trying the new ones here. That's not the traditional way, by the way. None of the mezes are very traditional serving. So they have a fusion probably, and they make from there inside. So I think it's
like a fun modern spin.
Exactly. Yeah.
This is like a carpaccio birthday cake. I've never tasted anything like it in my entire life. Like you have to try it right now.
It is normally we do it with raw meat and some bulgur.
It's like kind of wheat.
Reed, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Let David take over. He's my in-house baklava expert. He knows everything there is to know about baklava. He's Albanian. He's not even from here, but he just studies baklava very seriously. We went to a place yesterday called Mustafa, which is like a more like touristy one. That's his favorite. Today we're at Gulod, and we're gonna see how the two compare. I'm excited. I've got a very open mind. I would like to believe that the more Turkish embraced restaurant, look at the sizes, all the locals are here. You know, these aren't tourists. These are the everyday people from Istanbul who have chosen this location to eat. This is scary for him. His whole life could change based on what happens right now.
How is it, Dad? How you find it?
Very good.
I mean, it's obviously amazing.
How does the butter taste? You take that butter?
Which is why the Turks probably come here to this location.
Probably. Maybe we can try that one too, so we can compare in the same time.
Well, I had it yesterday.
I think they are going to bring more because of you. They know you. They said Mike should eat more.
They seen your baklava reviews.
You've seen my baklava reviews?
You should do more content with baklava, so you are
No, that's
becoming
him.
a professional man.
No, that's him.
I love baklava.
He's the baklava expert.
I love it.
Baklava, künefe.
No, say say
Just chew and try to smell it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Very good.
Look how to.
Man,
Okay, that's man.
bite, bro. And it's so light.
Good.
It's very good.
the butter.
No, you should.
I have those in here. I have to wait.
You should eat, man.
Because I feel a sugar bomb.
I ruined it.
Oh, pistachios like gold. There's a kilo price on it.
They're still bringing.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
That was very good. Dude, he doesn't even know I'm about to be wearing this on a podcast with Trump. This is what I would wear on my next Trump podcast. And then what do you guys want? And ask Mehmet.
We do half.
Half. So what, one smash burger, you're splitting it?
Probably, yeah.
Alright, and then you want to just eat some of my fries?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, so total 4 smash burgers and 2 fries.
2 fries. 2
One regular, 1 spicy.
All right.
Here we go, guys. BAD burger, bad burger. This was set up for me by the Turks at the hair clinic. They brought me on this crazy food tour. They said this was the place to do it. The homie Mehmet is here. He's right here being a doctor.
Hi. I'm gonna try it too.
Okay. Oh, Mehmet's gonna join you gonna join the burger review?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, get your burger. What's the word I'm looking for? No, I know what it's called.
Right.
I'm sorry. It's not a potato bar.
Yeah, okay.
Dude, I gotta go back to LA soon, bro. This is getting crazy. Brioche, not potato, and the sauce. So, it looks, I'm gonna be honest, it looks good. David, give it a quick zoom one more. It honestly looks like a really good burger. I'm excited for it. Great research skills by Bill. Okay, bring it in, guys.
Okay,
This is what we do. We cheers and we say 3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay.
Everything is about marriage.
He goes, it's true. He said it's true. Dude. He's just right.
said
Okay?
it's true.
I didn't rename the
For
golf.
me, also Turkey.
What's up to everybody watching this Smile Hair vlog #1 the first ever vlog on the vlog channel. We're at a beautiful restaurant now overlooking the Bosphorus here in Istanbul. Such a great place, such a safe city for anybody thinking about traveling here. And me and Dr. Mehmet, we're eating more food because the food tour just won't end. We've got cheese with freaking basil and French onion dips and fresh tomatoes or tomatoes. And this is it. This is the end of the day. Doc, how do you think the day went today?
You know, I said to you many times that if you start eating, you will eat. So that's a...
He said it exactly right. I didn't think I had any fuel left in the tank. He said, if you start eating, you will eat. And that's the thing about the Turks. You guys are very smart, and you say very objectively true things. If you're eating, you're eating, right? And if you're getting hair, you're gonna get hair. So that's what I would do if you guys are watching the video. You're curious about the people. Now you've seen him in a natural setting. You know he's a real human. He's not some robot. Okay, he's a real guy. He's a guy's guy, and he wants you to win by coming here to Smile Hair Clinic, right? And I don't know, this isn't a freaking promo, it's a vlog. But I just want to say I appreciate you guys, the hospitality, for showing me around the city even more. I got to see all the places over this trip, and I'm excited to come back, dude.
Yeah, every time, anytime you can come here. I really love this thing because I feel like I'm with a blogger, I'm with a guy influencer. And normally, if I go somewhere with my team, everyone is just coming to me directly.
Yeah.
I'm the guy.
Yeah.
But today I'm not the guy. You're the guy. Everyone is coming to you.
We talk about this a lot. It's always fun being like the side character.
Yeah.
It's not always as fun being like the main guy in the vlog because you got to kind of steer it. And when you're just like when I'm in Logan's vlog, sometimes I could just be myself and just be the side guy. You get a little break. You know what I'm saying? No surgeries today, Doc. You just got to eat food
it's
and
a
hang
good
out.
break for
you
me
know?
as well.
Yeah.
But for example, you are eating, I'm standing here. I try to eat and come to you. So it was very nice for me as well. It was a good experience for me. I'm glad for today. Next time maybe I will be much better with whole food experience maybe.
Just so much food, dude.
Yeah.
It was just a lot. But thank you, and we did the podcast. If you guys didn't watch that, the link for that is in the description of this video. You can watch the podcast that we did. We talked about the hair experience. We talked about Turkey. We talked about the clinic. We talked about my life, my book. And I guess that's pretty much it for the food tour and for the vlog. And do you have anything else you want to say to the people?
No, we just said everything. I think thanks so much for watching. We were so happy. I think if you watch and you will be liking this video as well. Thanks so much, Mike.
Of course, like the video, subscribe to the channel, mention the doc, and don't forget to mention Berk in the comments because he put this all together. And shout out to everybody watching this from Turkey or the US or the UK or Albania. I love all of you and everyone else watching it. We'll see you next time. And we might even have more hair. Peace.